Hello everyone, and welcome back to my world of model aircraft. And what I'm going to show you today is the completed Airfix 172 scale Royal Air Force Red Arrows Gnat. Let's get into it. Okay, so as you can see, this is the completed model kit, and as you can see, it's all bright and shiny and it looks beautiful with that gloss on it. I'll just give you a better look at it. Look at the way the wings are shining. Even here at the bottom, you can see all that gloss and shine on the wings. And the model has come out pretty well. This particular paint was available with the kit, and this red paint, it's number 19, but I did not use this one because as soon as I started painting with this one, it gave a very dull look to the aircraft, and I realized that I might need several coats of this paint in order to get a shiny look. So what I did was I used this. This is the paint available from Fevicryl, and this is the crimson paint, and I wanted to experiment with this, and the paint has come out to be exactly the way it is on the Red Arrows aircraft. So the paint was very useful, and it's come out really well. Also, just to give you an idea of the challenges that I faced while making this kit, so as you can see, it's not really visible from that distance, but there is a very small gap here in the canopy, and the reason for that was that in the instruction sheet, the way it was mentioned, the pilot and the instructor and the trainees' seats, they are mounted on one single rail, and that rail actually fits inside the fuselage here. So the way it was mentioned in the instruction sheet to place these the entire seat housing, there was a gap of about 1 millimeter in that, in the way it is mentioned in the instruction sheet and in the way it is actually supposed to be. So I ended up putting it in the same way, and what I realized in the end was that I would not be able to close the canopy properly, so I had to do a lot of sanding out here. If I turn this way, I think you can see it now. There is a very small gap here in the canopy, but from a distance of more than about 2 to 3 inches, it's really not visible. But it's come out pretty well for my expectations, especially the color theme that it had, all that shiny glossy red on top of it. The decals have gone on pretty well on this entire kit, and it's an amazing one.